Hello food fans, today we will have a very healthful meal, a good meal. This can be a good lunch, good supper, or a snack on the job. I'm going to have rice and red beans, and I've got more of the red beans and more of the rice. And in addition to that, that'll be the basic meal, red beans and rice, and it's going to be vegetarian, I guess is the correct word to use, but not vegan. I will make a salad in which I will have some mayonnaise, and I think that's not regarded as vegan, but the rest of it, there's no meat. So this is very healthful, and we shall enjoy eating it. It tastes good. Let's get started. Couple of pans with heat on them. We have a frying pan on the right and a boiling pan on the left with boiling water in it. And into the boiling pan I shall place some rice and some red beans, of course. And I'm putting probably, I'll say, a half a cup of rice and about the same amount of red beans. And you can put more or less in it depending on what you're going to be adding to it or not adding to it. And I'm going to be adding plenty of things here. So in the boiling pan so far we have just the red beans and the rice. Let them boil for about 15 minutes. And I'll put some of my onion, which I have washed off and peeled, or peeled and washed off. Put some onion in there. And the onion is going to be used in many parts of this meal. So it's going to be boiled right here. So we're done with the boiling part of the onion. We got a tomato. Tomatoes were on sale 99 cents a pound. And the carrot and the pepper, the tomato, and some cabbage will be used to make a salad, but also I'm going to put some of the pepper, the green pepper, into the pan to be fried over here. So let's do that right now. Let's take a portion of the pepper and put it in there and chop it up a little bit. And I do have non-stick spray in the pan, so I'm high tech. Get some pepper in there and a little bit more, and I'll fry a little bit of the onion also. These flavors are very delicious when they're blended together. And I said the healthful qualities are quite amazing. This, if you had a diet like this where you had this meal once per week, you'd probably find your health improving if you had been partaking of a lot of fast food meals. Into the salad dish I'll put a little bit of cabbage, and this has been washed. I like to have cabbage every day. In this case we're going to have it as a salad. That's more than enough for the salad. And we'll add some other ingredients here. Add a little bit of this tomato. Tomatoes are good in salads. They're good also on sandwiches and other things. A little bit of carrot into the salad. Just slice little chunks of the carrot in there. And put a little bit of the pepper into the salad. Get ready for some salad dressing. And put just a little bit of ketchup on the side here. Then I will add to the ketchup some salad dressing that I make at home. I'm going to use some classic whip dressing, which is basically mayonnaise. There we go. And we shall put on a spoonful of relish. And we'll mix that all together. Make it into a dressing first of all. Then mix the salad in with the dressing. And remember, neatness doesn't count when you're cooking up something that tastes good. And this is a very, very delicious salad. Delicious and nutritious. You beat me to the punch there. I know you were going to say that. Let's try a spoonful of it. We'll get some of everything. Give it a taste test. Mmm, that is delicious, as I knew it would be. After about 10 minutes of boiling, maybe a little bit longer, the beans and rice, I'm going to put the fried onions and peppers into the pan with it. Frying brings out slightly different flavors from boiling. And I'm going to turn out the heat. And let it simmer for a while, and it will absorb all the water that's boiling right now. Be back in about 10 minutes when it cools down. And it is all done except for one final secret ingredient which you shall add to it. And you can use any type of sauce. This is tomato sauce, pasta sauce, mushroom pasta sauce. Some people will like hot sauce on their red beans and rice. I'm just going to put a little bit of tomato sauce with mushrooms in it. Still very hot. Should be just about the right amount. We'll let it cool a little bit more, and then we'll taste test it. I will try to have a few more recipe videos with vegetarian style food. This stuff really tastes good. Actually, I've had it quite often in my life, and when you mix this many actual vegetables together, you've got onions in there and peppers, and tomato sauce, rice, red beans. It's very good. Give it a taste test here. Still hot, very delicious, and even tastes healthful. Very delicious. Some of you will want to cook your beans and rice longer than I cook mine. I like mine the consistency of chunky peanut butter. Very, very good. You get your 5 servings of vegetables in one meal. Thank you very much for watching. I'm going to keep on eating.